Yellow. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the point. Like mini page channel. Please consider subscribing, like, and sharing. And if you're regular, what's up, baby? Welcome back to the banner.
Hello, I come back.
I know, guys. I've been silent for a long time, but yeah, I'm back. Unfortunately, I did make a vlog, but it was about Zosa, and our school couldn't make it to Zosa, so I had to cancel that vlog and start a new vlog, which is this one. So yeah, today it's a Monday. It's currently 11:30 somewhere there. I am going to get Spark or Monday here just to do some few errands. Then yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. I am vlogging. I'm back to vlogging. Please do follow boy on IG at @impesh_Lamin, and please follow me on TikTok at @impesh_Lamin. Same name everywhere. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. I am, just getting ready. I'm using this lovely, when I say, excuse me, lovely, I mean, guys, I don't know why we've been sleeping on body mist, because come on. Yeah, gents, please do use body mist, even if they're for girls, but please do find something which is, unisex, and something that can also work for you. But this, I would recommend this. This is nice. So yeah.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Also, I know I've been more consistent on TikTok more than YouTube. I don't know why, but I think it's because for TikTok it's easier and the vlogs are short, while for Instagram, for YouTube the vlogs are long. And also, guys, I don't know who told CapCut to start providing these useless and long ads, because these things are literally contributing to us giving up on editing. I think I have a lot of videos on my CapCut thingy, but the reason I'm not uploading them is because they're failing to save because of CapCut. So yeah, anyways, let us go. Peace out, and I'll check you along the road. We are currently at Manda Hill. I just want to withdraw money, and also, guys, I want to get mics for my vlogging. You know those small mics that you use for vlogging and speaking? Those microphones, yeah. Stay tuned.
I'll be the rubber man, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. No, you are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the yeah, when the sky goes.
What's up, you guys? So we're currently on our way to the Taste of India. I just happened to withdraw money, and finally they've changed the notes. Let me show you some. This is the new 10 kwacha. This is the 10 kwacha. This is the 200 kwacha. Finally, money. And last but not least, this is the 500 kwacha. So yeah, stay tuned. I was just here to show you that's all. Otherwise, yeah, we are going to have lunch at the Taste of India. So yeah.
All night, say it, all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let Cumulus clouds all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual training.
Okay, we just arrived and listen, we're on time. Anyways, yeah, we're at the Taste of India. Why are there so many flies? Yeah, Taste of India. We're just here to try Indian food, and yeah, so I'm going to have what am I having? I think parat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One day I will die trying new stuff. Martin, what?
Rogan Josh.
Martin Rogan Josh. That's what I'm trying. I'm tired of eating things that I have in my house with things that I've eaten before. We're trying new stuff. New stuff, new food. Hopefully I don't get sick. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a glimpse of their menu and show you what they have.
And I'm the smoker, we raise the bet. Is you the joker? You the gun, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the front, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the wire, babe. Even when it's even war day, we can do it, baby, simple as that.
So guys, I'm thinking of getting this t-shirt for my dad. So yeah, let's get this. We are doing my grocery shopping right now. We are currently at ShopRite Select, and yeah, the day is still going on and on and on. So yeah, stay tuned.
For this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy
What's up, you guys? So today it's a Tuesday and I just got back from Novanda's place. So yeah, I just want to put these things in the fridge, the groceries I bought yesterday, and clean my room, tidy up this place because I left this place as a mess, like a huge mess, and it's not looking nice. Like, so yeah, let's do that, and then we'll see what I can do after that. I might go for training, for netball training. I'm not sure, because after cleaning the fridge and cleaning my room, I know I'll be tired. I'll just rest and watch Netflix, and after that, after my resting, then I'll decide whether I'm going for training or not. Cause yeah, peace out and let's clean this place.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain.
What's up, you guys? I'm done cleaning my fridge and I'm done restocking. So yeah, I'm just here to reward myself with this non-alcoholic what you call this? Cosmo, yes. I've never tried this one. The brothers. I have tried the mojito, and mojito was a 10. And I feel like I'm always buying the mojito. So yeah, the reason I bought different flavors was because I wanted to try them out. So yeah, this is us rewarding ourselves. Cheers, I hope this is nice. Okay, this is nice. A bit sweet though, but then it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I would give it a 7.5 because it's sweet. It's sweet. And I love sour things like, specific things like lemons, like, yeah. But it's nice. It's not bad. So yeah, this is where we are ending for today. See you tomorrow. Because tomorrow I think I'll go to school and get myself some Crocs. New Crocs because I gave my dad Crocs. When I went home, I don't have Crocs anymore, so I need new Crocs. So yeah, peace out and I'll check you out tomorrow.